When I experienced my own significant loss in my life, it was remembering the shortest sentence in the New Testament, which is Jesus wept. And the realization that Christ himself, who that sentence came in regards to his friend Lazarus, who lay in the grave 4 days. He knew that he was going to raise him from the dead, but he still cried because he saw firsthand the separation that we all experienced because of the sin in the garden. How does that help us? It's a realization of what Christ did for us. While Christ wept and we weep and he grieves with us, we don't, as St. Paul reminds us so beautifully, we don't grieve as those with no hope. There is hope in the resurrection, and we remember what Christ did for us so that the grief from the losses that we experience in this life don't get the final say. Death doesn't get the final say. And when we chant so beautifully, Christ is risen, we know that that hope and that glory is what we're all aiming for, and especially in the moments when we're grieving.